Okay, so this is just a quick video to run through drawing a cable tray vertically on a wall, rotated 90 degrees on a wall. Okay, so this is just a testing template that I use when I'm developing content for the electrical team. Basically what we want to do is start by placing a cable tray fitting. Now that cable tray fitting is, just your regular in horizontal. It's just really small by default, so we want to change that to the sizes that we want. So in this case we're going to go 300 by 100, and I'm going to stick that at a just at an offset of 2200, so it's off the ground. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to cut a section. Just flick that section. Okay. Go to view. Now my video recorder isn't recording the whole screen, so I'm just I don't know why, but anyway, I'm just going to change this to fine mode so we can see what we're doing a little bit better. Okay, so there's our cable tray fitting, and what we want to do is we want to rotate that by 90 degrees. Okay, so now we'll come back into our floor plan. Okay, so there you can see the fitting rotated by 90 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut another section. Okay, go to that view, change it to fine mode. Alright, so there's our cable tray fitting rotated in the orientation that we'd want it if the wall was there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, the trick to this is that you need a cable tray fitting at each end before you draw the cable tray. Okay, so now I've mirrored that. We could actually have this go the other way, so it's a little bit more realistic. If actually we'll just do one. Oops, laptop's going a little bit slow. Alright, so I'll just rotate that guy, or mirror that guy, sorry. Whoops. Alright, so and then it's just as simple as right clicking on the connection point, draw cable tray, and connecting the dots. Now the problem that you'll have sometimes is sometimes you'll be able to actually draw the cable tray in this orientation, and other times you won't. Now that what's happened is the cable tray has aligned itself with the section. So if we go into a 3D view, where are we? You'll see that the cable tray has jumped around, aligning itself. It's probably clearer in plan actually. Aligning itself with the section that I've drawn. Okay, so there's a few workarounds around that, but that's not the point of this video. We'll sort of that's showing though that you can actually draw in that orientation once you have the cable tray in that orientation. Sometimes the cable tray will try and rotate itself to what it believes is the correct orientation, and if that happens, you just repeat the process of placing a fitting, rotating it, and then connecting the dots. But in this case, everything seems to be working nicely. A little bit of an unrealistic cable tray, but for the purpose of the video, it certainly gets across the point. So there you go. 90 degree rotated cable tray.